In this video, we see the Econocorp Spartan Cartoner. This Spartan is equipped with an optional 10-foot bucket conveyor and overhead infeed. The product in this video is a frozen turkey, which is placed into the bucket of the conveyor manually. Once it reaches the load station, the product is automatically loaded into an erected box. Once the box is loaded, it then indexes forward where the dust flaps are closed shut and the outer flaps are applied with glue from a Nordson hot melt system. Once the glue has been applied, the outer and inner major flaps are compressed shut and the entire box is glued shut and then ready for palletizing. For more information, give us a call at 781-986-7500 or email us at info@econocorp.com.